Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Bluestacks Error 4000. Okay, first things first, you can then try to launch Bluestacks again. If the problem persists, search for Bluestacks in your Start menu and select Open File Location for the application. Your File Explorer will then open up. In here, just right-click the shortcut and select Open File Location again. Next, right-click again the hdplayer.exe application to access the application properties. In the compatibility section, check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as an administrator before applying your changes. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your Bluestacks error problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Bluestacks error 4000. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.